Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Phantom role in Among Us. The Phantom is a powerful imposter variant, granting you the ability to become invisible. This unique skill allows for stealthy movement and surprise attacks. Your primary objective remains the same as any imposter: eliminate all crewmates and sabotage their efforts to win the game. Mastering this role requires careful timing and strategic planning. To activate your invisibility, simply tap the Phantom button on your screen. Once activated, you will disappear from the view of other players for a brief period, typically around 10 seconds. This allows you to move undetected. Remember, there's a cooldown of approximately 20 seconds after each use, so time your disappearances wisely for maximum impact and to avoid being caught vulnerable. Strategic use of your invisibility is key to success. Activate it when approaching an isolated crewmate for a quick, undetected kill. You can also use it to escape after an elimination, especially if you are near a vent. Try to activate your ability when no one is directly watching you to maintain the element of surprise and prevent suspicion from falling on you. For advanced play, combine your invisibility with vent usage. This allows for incredibly fast movement across the map and quick escapes after a kill. Remember to utilize sabotages, especially lights out, to further obscure your movements and make it harder for crewmates to see you. Always coordinate with your imposter teammates for synchronized double kills, maximizing your efficiency and securing victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.